Today we will create a cute greeting mini video for Instagram. We'll call it Happy New Year. First, we add a blank page, then we generate a Canva AI poster with the year using the prompt, a fairy tale New Year's poster with deer. We download the version we like the most and add it to the design. Then remove the background. Next, we add a snowy landscape with trees. Add the tree in winter is covered and duplicate this element to create a winter forest. After that, we add a minimalist snow field and mountain lights. We align all elements with the video and flip the video. We add shadow to our deer, shadow outline, size 10, color white. Then we add Santa hats to the deer and adjust their size. Next, we add text. Choose the Great White font. Apply the neon effect with intensity 2, change the text color to white, and add the burst animation. Duplicate text and renaming. We align all elements with the video. Remove the white background. Add atmospheric audio. And our video is ready.